Okay, looks like I'm live. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt. No, by the way, hello all. Today I'm trying to attempt to create a cross-compiler toolchain for the M68K processors, the Coldfire processor. I'm gonna try and use something called as Toolchain NG. I've never used it before. I saw a video of how to use it, and I'm trying to access the documentation for it. Cross Tool NG. It's not Toolchain NG. Sorry, it's Cross Tool NG. So I'm gonna try and create a toolchain for the M68 processor on Linux. I'm using Pop OS, so the base is Ubuntu, so I'm gonna create a cross compiler for Ubuntu. Let me just clear this up. Okay, let's begin. Let me have a look at it. I've never done this before, so it'll be the first time. I think I do have the let me just create a directory. Okay. All right. Okay. Some background music would be nice, so yeah. I'm gonna put on some background music. Let's see now. Okay. Okay, so it says I need to install CrossToolNG. Before installing CrossToolNG, you may need to install additional packages on the host OS specific to the instructions, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I can build and install. Do I really need to build CrossToolNG? I don't think so. I hope not, at least. Okay, let me owning the repository. It's not enough for your purpose. You can try and build using the current blah 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 blah. I don't want to. The hacker way. Unconfigured local execution of blah blah blah. Preparing the package contribution blah 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 blah. Okay. So distribution provider. Okay, let's do the prerequisites. So for Linux, Linux distributions are available as Docker configuration files in testing directory. You can use the contents of these files as a list of packages that needs to be installed in a particular distribution. If, on the other hand, your encoding dependency is not listed there, please blah blah blah. Okay. Mac OS. Alright, so this section sample configuration for supported Linux distributions available in the Docker configuration file. Okay, let's have a look at the Docker configuration file. Let me see the Docker configuration for Ubuntu's latest. Yes. Okay, I see it. Let me try this. Okay. Here I go. I think I have some of these already, but here goes nothing. Ah. What? Finally. Okay, looks like I don't really... Yeah, I don't have anything. I mean, I have everything I need. I don't need anything else. Okay, so the prerequisites are done. Let's go back to... Okay, let's go back to installing. There are two ways: by downloading the cloning current directory. Also, okay, build and install, or build it and run it from source directory. Okay, I think we're gonna install it. Let me look at the release tarball. Start with blah 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 blah. Why would I need finger? What is happening? Okay. Yes. What do you need?
Seriously?
Yes, I'm streaming. Sorry? What? No, not that stream. Only terminal. I just started streaming. 10 ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಊಟನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನ.
ನೀವು ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ?
ಓಕೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈವ್ ಬೈ the stream? No, it will stop. I can't. I can mute. Hang on. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, hang on. Let me check if I can. So yes, where was I? I got distracted. Okay, so the installation, installing cross-ng. So there are two ways of obtaining cross-ng source. Oh, okay. So I need the source. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'll just clone the repository in that case. I don't need the tarball. I think it had everything I need. Yeah, okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. I need to run bootstrap script before running configuration. Alright. So let me go inside the crossng and let me configure. Oh, sorry, I need to bootstrap. Sorry. It's okay. Okay, so it's bootstrapping it now. So you need to run the bootstrap script before running configuration. So okay, so I did the bootstrap script. I think it's going to take a little while. You need to configure, make, then install and export the bin path. Okay, so yes, bootstrapping is done. Then I configure. Follow the classical configure recipe. Okay. Okay, so let me just run configure and let's go from there. Oh wait, what did it configure? It didn't actually give me anything to configure. Ah, checking for what? No. Okay, so I guess it configured locally. Okay. Let's make. If you plan on packaging it, you surely don't want to install it. Root file. The install procedure is okay. Okay, so I'm not planning to. Right now. I don't think I will be packaging it. I just want to see how. I just want to create the toolchain on my machine. Think about packaging it later. Okay, so this is done. Then I shall make install. Okay, that didn't work. What happened? Making, it's okay, installation, blah 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 blah. Okay, so it's now installed. Now that I've installed it, where did I install it, by the way? CTing, it's right here in the local. Okay, so I will keep the yeah, I'll keep the source code, that's okay, but maybe I will include include this place in the path. So if I do that, hang on, so if I run ctng help, okay, so this works. Okay, so it installed locally, that's okay. I can do I can export the path, export the path. I think this should be fine. Now if oh shit, I just removed the entire, no. I forgot to add the path itself in the path, so I essentially, oh crap. Okay, no worries. Please. Okay, it works. Thank goodness. Okay, let me go back to man, I haven't used Linux in a while and I've completely forgotten everything. So what I need to do is I need to export the path where the cross tool is installed, which is in the folder with the source code. It's not ideal, but it's fine for now. I think the way you do this is do this, path and colon, and then you add oh come on, okay, I guess auto completion doesn't work. Document, what if I don't do this? Streaming cross to ng. Okay, so I'm still inside code streaming, but let me create another directory as is recommended by the to-do. KT dir, okay, so inside the work dir, if I do ct-ng, okay, it works. Cool. This is good. So I have I've installed crosstool-ng. Now I need to figure out how to use it. Configuring. Okay, so here it is, configuring crosstool-ng. Okay, blah 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 blah. I need to enter is configured by a configurator present in the menu script, a structured set of options, blah blah blah. These options let you specify the way you want to build the toolchain, your toolchain to be built, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's start with ctng menu config. Okay. Okay. Oh, you can't actually see this. Wait. Let me see if I can. Do you wish to save? No. You've been seeing. So far, you've been seeing nothing. Wow. Oh, this is amazing. Should be able to see something now. Oh wait. That's okay. I guess you didn't see me installing CrossTool ng. It's simple, it's fine. I'm just going to continue from here where I'm configuring the CrossTool ng after its installation. I should be checking my settings more often now. Okay, so you are able to see the screen now. That's good. Okay, what do I do here? Paths and miscellaneous option, target option, toolchain option, operating systems, blah 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 blah. Okay, so what do I do? From almost every configuration item has a help entry. Read them carefully. String and number options can refer to environment variables. In such case, you must use the shell blah 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 blah. You shall neither single nor double quote. Okay. There are 3 environment variables that can computed by CrossTool ng. Okay. Sample ships with several sample configurations, pre-configurable. Okay. To get a list of these samples, see more detailed information on any sample. Do okay, list samples. Okay, I mean this will definitely be a lot. This definitely will be a lot more easier. So I can do ctng list samples. Oh, okay. Let me see if there are any samples for M68K processors. Aha, there they are. Okay, Linux GNU. You see lib. Okay. Once you choose one sample at a starting point, load it as a base and fine-tune the ctng menu config as described above. Oh, I see. Okay, so I can load one of these and then I can modify them. Okay. Okay, so if I'm not sure which one to pick. What's the difference between ELF, Linux GNU, blah 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 blah. ELF defines ELF refers to the file format of the executable. Okay, so like blah blah blah. Linkable GNU represents GNU blah 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 blah. C standard library offers specifies to GNU-C. Okay. C Linux, use C lib. Okay, I'm gonna try this M68 unknown Linux GNU. I think that might be the simplest. I'm not sure. So ctng. What do I do now? Configuration written to confirm initial URL blah blah. Okay, perfect. So that's done. Now I can do ctng menu config. Now I can do a little bit of tweaking. I need to look at each of them to understand. Download agent. Okay, I don't really understand any of these. Target option. Yes, target architecture is M68K. That's correct. Suffix to architecture type. Blah 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 blah. Bitness is 32-bit. Yes, it's an old processor. These are 32-bit processors. So yes, that's correct. Build a multi-lib toolchain. Okay. Attempt to combine libraries into a single directory. Okay, so I can put C flags and LD flags, so LD library files and C flags for compiling. Emit assembly for CPU. I'm not really sure what to do here. Okay, I'll have to get back to these. Interesting configuration, blah 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 blah. Rebuild an existing toolchain. No, okay. So I actually I don't know any of these, so I'm just gonna leave it at default. Yeah, it's Linux, that's for sure. The operating system that I'll be working on is Linux, but I think it is bare metal. There is no OS as far as I understand. Options for bare metal. Yeah, let there be some sort of OS, obviously. Okay, binary utilities from elf. Yeah, that's okay. Many utils are needed. Show blah 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 blah. Linker enabled. Enable support for plugins. Deterministic archive by default. I have zero idea what any of these things are. Okay, C compiler, gclib. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it, leave all of it in default. Oh, but I could use GDB for sure. To modulate, no, legend, build in. Okay, so I need to press yes. Okay. No, and strace. Okay. C compiler. Let me just go through this. Use zlib. Yeah, sure. Use that. Use zlib. That's okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Give access to C++. Additional support for C++ as well. That's good. Okay, core GCC, GCX configuration, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I'll come back to these if I need any. Okay, debug, yeah, GDB and strace. Okay. Companion libraries. Okay, companion libraries. libelf, yeah, sure. I don't know what this is. Okay. Companion tools. Install companion tools for host. Sure. Bison, yeah. Make M4. I'm not really sure if I need M4. libtools. Autocomp. Sure. Why not? Okay. Save. Okay. Oh, wait. I should probably write the name. Enter a name to abort. Okay. 168 k config. Yeah, okay, perfect. I think exit now. Okay, cool. I think I need to build this now that the configuration is done. Okay. Building the toolchain. Yes. Okay. So after the configuration is done, I need to build the toolchain. So I simply need to type ctng build. Okay. Above, I'm going to retrieve and extract patch components, build blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. I think this will take some time. For sure. Okay. Ooh. I hope it is. It's all done. Maybe this will take some time to complete. Okay. Alright, I think it's done. Cool. Finally. Okay. It's done. Okay. Alright, cool. So now this is done. What do I do next? Building the toolchain, blah 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 blah. It's done. Okay, how do I think now it's time to use the toolchain? Yes, using the toolchain. Okay. My toolchain. So my toolchain is here. No. Where is my toolchain? Home, X tools. Okay. Collect license information, blah 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 blah. Finalizing toolchain, blah 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 blah. Wait, seriously, where is my toolchain? Collect license information. Okay, see, I don't need the license information right now. Hang on, I think I need to go back and see building toolchain. So where by default is it built? Blah 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 blah. Seriously, where is it? Ah, no. MK68. Crap. It's here somewhere, but where is it? No! Oh my god, where did I get? Environment variables, directory, not save downloadable, to local, preparing, blah blah blah. It has to be here somewhere. Config, is there a bin? No, there's no bin. Ah, no. I have no idea where I put it. Okay, so this is everything that was downloaded for the cross compiler. But where is the cross compiler? Hang on. There is an X2. Oh, no, but this is. Oh my god, this is the. Okay, this is the cross compiler right here. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let me just export this up. And I guess it will be M68K. I'm guessing the unknown part is, I can maybe put my signature there. I'll try that later. I think that should do it. Go back to documents and okay, let's do a hello world. So let's go to the working directory and create a hello world project. So Okay. I think I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code now. Let me see if I can include that. Alright, let me include Visual Studio Code. Okay, I guess you can see my Visual Studio Code. Yeah, okay, perfect. Let's see now. So I have created a let me open a folder. Odd. Okay. Yes, trusted. Blah 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 blah. Okay, perfect. So let me just try include stdio.h and create an int main as an entry point. Return 0. Don't really need a return value. And printf. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at oh, I can do it in okay, so I didn't really need this. Hang on. I'm learning OBS at the same time, so please excuse me. Alright, cool. So now, what do I need? Let me try to compile this using the M68 GNU GCC. Okay. If we create an A out, yeah, that's okay. I shouldn't be able to run this. Yeah, okay, so the format is not executable. So okay, I am able to compile something. This is good. This is good news. Next time I'm going to try and create an emulator for the M68 processor and try and load this on to that processor and see if it works there. But for now, tata bye bye. More than half of the stream was empty. Sorry about that. Who cares? Nobody's watching the stream anyway. So cool. I'm doing these streams so that I can learn and keep in touch with Linux, which in my previous project I was using that extensively. I don't use that anymore. Also, I want to get back into C++. I'm using C right now at work. I used to do a lot of C++ early on, and I don't want to lose touch, so I'm gonna try and make a C++ project next time and try to run that in the M68 emulator that I built. But first I need to build the M68 emulator. That's what I'm gonna do next time. Okay, cool. yeah, that's it. I created a cross compiler using CrossToolNG. It was pretty simple, although it has a very extensive set of options, none of which I know what to do with. I'm going to have to try and figure out how to use all of them in the future. I'm sure I'm going to need them pretty soon. Also, it's been a while since I've streamed on YouTube. I've not streamed before in this channel, with this channel, and I've forgotten many things, and many things have changed since I streamed last. So excuse me if there are problems. I don't know how the audio is. The audio might be really, really low. I hope you can turn on your volume and then see how that is. I hope that's okay. Anyway, I'll be stopping my stream here. Bye bye.